create image using the Bing AI. In our previous class, we discussed on how to generate image using the Mental AI. So today we are going to use the Bing AI to generate images with this prompt. We are going to generate image with this first one. We are going to generate image with the second one, third one, and fourth one. So let's start with the first one. So we'll copy it. Now, how can you now access the Bing? This is the Bing. This is the Bing AI. In our previous class, we discussed on how to access this Bing AI. So we are going to click at it. Once we click at it, we are going to click at these apps. When we click at the apps, we are going to click at this image creator. Then we are going to paste our prompt here. In your own, when you log into this Bing, when you reach this part, from here you can log in. You sign up and you log in. Okay, so now when you paste in your prompts, then you are going to click at this create. Okay, once you click create, it will start generating the images. As you can see, it's creating and it's generating the images. One thing I love about this Bing AI generate 2 or more images just like the Mental AI. With Bing AI, you can generate, can you see? You can generate 2 or more images. So let's view our images. Can you see? Beautiful. Beautiful. And if you want to download it, if you want to download these images, you click at this click at it, then you now click your download. Okay, or you long press it and click download. Okay, you long press it and click download. Okay, so this is another way of generating images using your Bing. Okay, this is another AI tools that generates images. Okay, so now we are done with the first prompt. Let's go to the second prompt. So we are going to copy this prompt. So we'll go to the Bing AI Then we are going to paste it this side. We are going to paste it at this side. Okay. I'm going to paste it here. When you paste it here, we'll now click at this crate. Click at this crate to generate our images for us. As you can see, it's generating. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay. If you want to download it, you click at these three dots. These three dots. Click at it to download one thing that I love about these AI tools, you can also resize it. If you want to resize it, you can also resize it. You can download it using these, then you can resize it here. Okay, you can resize it here and you put in, if you want it to be in square, you put square. If you want it to be in landscape, you put landscape. Okay, you put landscape. So it's not like ChatGPT. No, ChatGPT, if you want your image to be in portrait, you can see now it's in portrait now. In ChatGPT, if you want your image to be in portrait, you just put portrait. If you want your image to be in landscape, you put landscape, or you put YouTube size. ChatGPT will generate the image for you. Can you see? Then you download it. With this, you can use it for your African folktale. Okay, as you can see now, it's in landscape. So you can do the same thing with other images. So this is how you can be able to generate image. Let's check another prompt. So we are going to check this other one. So now paste it this side. Okay. When you paste it there, you click at create so that you can easily generate your Can you see? Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? We download it. Okay. Download it. Now you can just resize it and get a Okay, can you see how beautiful it is? You can download your images, and if you want to resize it, you know what to do. You are going to click this side to resize it. So I believe we now know how to, can you see? So I believe we now know how to generate image using the Bing AI, and also how you can be able to resize it to portrait and landscape. So with this now, you can just download your image, download it, okay, you download your images and use it for what? For your African folktale stories. Okay, I hope this video helped. Please, if this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe. In our next class, I'll teach you how you can be able to use your prompt, the prompt that you generate from what? From ChatGPT, how you can be able to generate image using your DaVinci AI. So subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell. So once I upload new video, you'll be the first to watch, to get notified.